Now I'm going to show you an online resource called EasyBib. EasyBib is something that a lot of college students use to create their Works Cited pages or their reference page. But a lot of them don't know how to use it correctly, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Here's the website EasyBib, and you can see that the default is MLA format. They also have APA format and Chicago format, but those are part of the paid subscription. So you would have to pay for the pro subscription in order to get access to those other formats. But if you just want to use MLA, then the free version will work for you. Now they want me to enter a link that I want to create a Works Cited for. I've already saved a link, so I'm just going to paste it here and then click Cite It. EasyBib tells me that they found some of the information for my source. They found the website title, they found the publisher, article title, the date that it was published. I'm going to have to provide some of the information to get the full citation. And now you can see what information they have. So here's the website title, that's correct, and the publisher, that's correct. But this other information is missing. I need the author information because EasyBib didn't find that. I go back to the article. Here's the author's name right here, Joy Resmovitz. So I'm going to try to remember that and I'll type it. Okay, so that's correct. And once you have all of that information put in here, then you click Create, and EasyBib says, hooray, here's your citation. So this is the citation that they formatted for me for MLA format. It says you can copy and paste the citation. I sometimes just copy it from here. But one thing I want to warn you about is you still have to check this to make sure it's correct. Here's my Works Cited page, so I'll paste what I got from EasyBib. You can see when I pasted it, it's not formatted correctly. It's the wrong size and it's the wrong font. So I need to select all of that, and you could do it after you put all of your citations in. I'm just going to do it for this one right now. Remember, font needs to be 12 point, and it should be Times New Roman or something similar to that. And then I want to make sure the punctuation is all correct, so I'm looking here. I've got my title in quotation marks.
We need this to be double spaced, so right click, choose paragraph, and then choose double space.
Now remember, each line after the first line needs to be indented. So I put my cursor here and hit return, and then I hit tab.
If the URL is too long, be sure you separate it because you don't want any extra space at the end of any of the lines. You can separate the URL after a period or a slash, or if there aren't any of those, then you can separate after a word.
So now my citation looks pretty good. And you would use EasyBib for each of your sources. You could paste the next link right here and start your search again. I just want to warn you, back here when we had to enter the information, sometimes you will have to enter even more. Sometimes it doesn't even find the website title. So always make sure you still have the source available so that you can get all of the information you need. However, it's nice that if you give that information to EasyBib, it'll put it in the correct order for you. So EasyBib is a nice resource to have as long as you know how to use it correctly.